Okay, in this video, I just want to quickly go through the Geopush notifications which we can send. So these are for iOS devices. So we would just, our version is a bit smaller, but I'll show you on the actual map. So what we've done over here is that I've just put in an area. So if I zoom in, you can see that it's just starting from like the mall will be here, something like this. So it's just covering this area of the mall. So it's not the full area. So if you look at this side here, so it's basically we're covering this corner of the mall, and then we could have a different area for this part of the mall. So how we would do that is, for example, if you want to go to this part, we'll just select this area, and then you'll click that bottom link. Well, let me just do it again. So I'll just click an area, and then we'll click this bottom one, and then we're going to copy this code over here, and we'll go back and we'll add a location, and this is the address. So we can see now this is exactly pinned to this area, and then we'll just say like Silicon Small Central Mall, and then I don't know if it's like West Entrance, and then we can have select the cards that it's valid for, and then just put a message over there that, for example, over here, what do we see? We see like I don't know, one store home to buy. It's a furniture store. Okay, companion beauty salon, for example. So 35% off at companion beauty salon. Just something like this. This could be, like it could be something that the mall is doing, for example, like kids event at 3 p.m. Don't miss out. Something like that. And then we can just add it. So then if anybody enters in this zone, they'll get this message. Now this can happen even if they're walking outside or they're just driving through this area, they'll still get this message while they're in that zone. And we can just add it over here. So now we have two ones. So one is for the mall north entrance, and that's one message for buy one get one free at Raju Omelette. And this is the one at the west entrance, has this event at 3 p.m. Don't miss out. And now you can just should you choose, just disable it for when you don't want to have it on, or enable it when you do want to have it on, or you can delete it itself. And you can create multiple other ones. Just try not to overlap them too much, so that not multiple notifications are coming to your customer. But yeah, just wanted to show that it's fairly easy to get these set up. And so one thing is that while the customer's in the zone, while they're already in the zone, if you update the message, they won't see the updated message while they're in the zone. They need to exit and come back for them to see the updated message. So if you consider ever doing any of these geo messages, always put in over here like it's finishing at 3 p.m. or something like that, so that they can't just stay in the zone, that message is there, and then go to somebody and say, no, but I see this offer is still in my phone, because the message will not disappear until they leave that geographic zone. So if you put over here kids event at 3 p.m. or something like that, say for example, kids eat buy one get one free, or kids eat free until 4 p.m. So now even if somebody's there at 4:30 p.m. and they show this message, you can clearly see that it's until 4 p.m. So that way it's a little bit, just a little bit of a convenience thing to try to keep in mind. But yeah, that's it. That's how quick and easy we can set up Geopush notifications.